Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, The Psych Life. We are back with another YouTube video on why do we need a therapist or a psychologist. So let me begin by asking you that what do you think that when and why do we need a mental health expert? Yes, you got it right. We do need them for clinical disorders, but unlike many misconceptions, mental health experts not only deal with mental illnesses but with mental well-being as well. Be it psychotherapy, talking therapy, counseling, or just simply therapy. Mental health counseling benefits people suffering from emotional difficulties, life challenges, or any other mental health concern. And due to the stigma attached to mental health counseling or seeking mental health, many people do not even realize that when and why do they need a psychologist. And in fact, those who are too shy to consult a psychologist may end up making their problems even worse. So here we are with a video discussing certain situations which indicate the need to see a psychologist. So let's get started. First, when you are unable to control your emotions. Everyone once in their life faces confused emotions or emotional turbulence. There can be times when you may not be able to control your emotions, or your emotions may start controlling you. It is okay to feel down and out once in a blue moon. However, if being angry, sad or frustrated becomes your second nature, it is a cause for concern. Second is journal irritation. It is when you feel irritated all the time. There is usually a root cause which causes you to snap out. A psychologist can help you better in comprehending and addressing the cause. Third, you constantly have a headache or stomach pain. So if you have a recurrent headache or stomach pain or any other physical symptom that has no real physical cause, be rest assured that it is a disturbed mind. If you are not feeling well emotionally, it is bound to have an effect on your body, and a psychologist can help you in finding the cause which is causing you to feel physical symptoms. So the next situation is decline in performance. There is an inevitable effect of unaddressed emotional issues on your performance at work and at school. It affects person's concentration, focus and their productivity, and this sudden and visible change in performance can be a sign to see a psychologist. A psychologist can help you find solutions to your problem. Fifth, loss of interest in activities you previously used to enjoy. So if you are missing out on activities that used to make you happy, it is a sign to see a psychologist, and a psychologist can help you get some mental clarity. Sixth, loss of a loved one. So grieving openly or privately both are common, but avoiding the realities of loss can lead to more longer and lingering problems. A psychologist can help you find better ways to cope with this loss. Seventh, stress and anxiety. Little stress and anxiety are both normal and healthy. However, if it affects your daily life functioning, it is concerning, and if left to fester, it can lead to social isolation and other serious problems. 8. Family and relationship issues. Relationships, whether personal or professional, may have their own ups and downs, and which can be a source of stress. So, a psychologist can help iron out those wrinkles which may get formed even in the strongest of the relationships. 9. You need some mental clarity. So, just letting out your problems helps many people improve their mental clarity, productivity, and become more task oriented. 10. Facing difficulty in the transition stage. Major life challenges such as career change, marriage, transfer, or shift from one place to another, etc., can make you feel emotionally and physically stressed, and it may also make you feel emotionally drained. Then, if you feel alone or socially withdrawn. So if you were once a person who loved social gathering, meeting friends or visiting places, and now you no longer want to do the things you loved, sharing your thoughts and feelings with a therapist can help you get back to normal and focus on the things again that you love. 12. If you have faced any trauma. Experiencing trauma can be dreadful, and dealing with the experience can be miserable for a person, and in such cases, therapy can benefit them by helping them in accepting, fighting and overcoming the trauma without any form of guilt or self-blame. 13. Change in eating and sleeping habits. The sudden change in an individual's eating and sleeping patterns can be a result of too much stress or some underlying condition. 14th, addictions. Some people may get indulged into unhealthy habits or substance like drug, alcohol, or even caffeine addiction to escape the source of stress. In such cases, a psychologist can help in getting rid of those addictions and identify those problems and cope with them appropriately. These are a few examples of such situations. Even if you are not facing any serious difficulty, seeking therapy is always a good idea as it helps you know yourself more and learn some coping skills. So here at Psych Life, we provide affordable online therapy sessions. You can check the description box to book a session.